Hey, Dave Kelly here from the product team, and I want to share with you some improvements we have to our Underlayment line, as well as some new options we have and new roll sizes to offer. So stick with me and let's check it out. Geotextiles, underlayment, used for a wide range of industries as well as applications. Road construction, soil stabilization, soil separation, stormwater sediment filtration. What's different about those industries compared to the pond industry, because what the pond industry cares about is the padding. Padding that underlayment's going to provide beneath the liner. What we actually did was work with our factories to try to improve the padding or the cushion that underlayment provides without compromising any other qualities of the underlayment. We got the same needle punched geotextile material that we actually use in the past, but with modifying the way the actual needling is done during the production process, as well as removing a step at the end, which is a heat treatment step, which removing that actually helps provide some more cushion instead of reducing the amount of cushion to it. So we have some new underlayment for this year. We have what's called a standard duty underlayment. This is going to replace our original underlayment that we've actually sold for years. What's great about it is that new custom manufacturing process I was talking about gives the standard duty 50% thicker loft or thicker cushion than the original duty underlayment. The two of them, they're technically the same weights, but because that custom manufacturing process, you can see that the diameter of the standard duty compared to the original one, the standard duty is a much thicker diameter for the same size roll. And it just goes to show how much more loft or thickness you get in that standard duty. It's going to come in 3 different sizes. It's coming in a 15 by 300 foot size, and then some compact rolls. It's going to come in a 7.5 by 300 and a 5 by 300. What's really nice is the product's 50% thicker, but it actually is priced less than our underlayment was priced for last year. So you're getting a thicker underlayment for less price. We also have a new heavy duty underlayment. This is a new underlayment category for us. The heavy duty actually falls between the standard duty and our real thick premium rock pad. So it's a nice kind of bridges the gap between those. So if you have a region where it has uneven soil, rocky, ridgy type of soil, maybe where you find yourself using multiple layers of the original underlayment, the new heavy duty is what you want to use in these applications. Great thing about the heavy duty, it is twice as thick as our original underlayment was, and it's priced the same price as the original underlayment was last year. Now, what's cool about the heavy duty stuff, and this is where I want you to pay attention, is we have a 15 by 300 foot long roll, wide roll of the heavy duty. And we have 2 compact sizes. So these compact sizes are different than the compact sizes you see for the standard duty. So the standard duty compact sizes, those are basically the factory taking a 15 foot wide roll, and to create a 7.5 foot one, they just cut it in half, and you have 2 7.5 foot wide rolls. To create the 5 foot wide by 300 foot roll, they cut it in thirds, and then you have 3 5 by 300 foot rolls. What's different about what we're doing with the heavy duty version of the compact rolls is we're taking a full 15 foot wide roll, and we're actually folding it over before they roll it up into fourths. And then they roll it up, and the compact roll will be a 15 by 50 or a 15 foot by 100. It's nice because you get the full 15 foot wide rolls. When you're using the compact on the standard duty, you have to use a lot of layers and you're overlapping, so you kind of lose a lot of that square footage and it kind of gets clunky. Now you have these nice little compact rolls, you get the full benefit of the 15 foot width, but you can actually throw it in the back of a standard pickup truck, and you don't have a 15 foot wide roll sticking out the back of a pickup truck, which is not safe and probably not legally allowed to be on the road that way. And then last but not least, we have an addition to our rock pad line. Now our rock pad is our premium, super thick underlayment. Comes in a 3x3 pad, but if you need something larger than that, you have to jump all the way up to a 15 by 150, and it gets super pricey. So we have a smaller compact version of that as well. It's a little over 3 feet wide and just under 100 feet long. So it's a real nice compact size. It comes in at a lot more digestible price point than that larger 15 by 150 foot long rock pad roll. So that about does it. If you're looking for more information than that, if you're looking for pricing, contact your local sales rep, your distributor, call into customer care. You can always go to the website, find the information on there as well. Appreciate you taking a few minutes of your time to watch this, and I hope it was helpful. Thanks.